maybe less than 1 month. Very quickly to become long, these grasses. You have your own machine, then you can cut anytime, whenever it will become big, these grasses. Because if you hire someone, very expensive also. I think per hour is 1,200. This is very long grasses in that area. There is krillin na dardar. Because if you will not cut them too much mosquitoes and also snakes, by this time it's summer. When you cut this one, Dad, you cannot take it. When you cut this one, Dar, 1 month already or what? 1 month you cut this grass? 1 month? Huh? Less than 1 month, because when cut this one, then I upload also video. I cannot remember. Yeah, what happened? Close. Cutting grasses. July 1. Okay. Time check. one we have to sweep this one. Very long. Sit down. I sit down. Already finished here and also there. And this one cow can eat these grasses. Yan, tumpok-tumpok. Also there. Fatma, she helped me also to sweep this. And also my husband, he helped also. Over there is still not finished. Tomorrow again. Here also. Finish also here. I have to sweep also here. These grasses, they will get up because they have cow over there. See our cat up. It's already clean. After cutting grasses, then we clean using this broom. And then what is grasses we keep together, we give for cow because someone is carrying cow there up. You see, as you can see. This is yesterday, and I think around 6 p.m. there was a rain last night. So it's good that there is rain last night. So little bit weather is okay. So that's why today also morning I wash this some sofa cover, you see, and also over there I wash also some dresses, bed sheet, and some pillow covers, and this carpet from our one room we remove. So when there is rain we have to wash this one. And so now it's okay now. Very nice now to see. And silang nga palakad-lakad. And today is July 2. Yesterday, July 1. So today is July 2. Very fast. Very fast days come. Yan. So maybe after 1 month again or more than 1 month, we have to cut again these grasses. So alhamdulillah, we have our own grass cutter machine, because if we don't have, then we always hire to cut grass, and very expensive also. So that's why my brother-in-law from Germany, he gave this cutter machine. And then my husband also, he's the one who make this one. And we buy only petrol to use this machine. Yan yung machine. Yan yung machine. Yan. That place is still no cut. Yan. And also over there, that one we put carpet there. We did not cut grass also there. So in some other days. Yan. Very nice now to see, and very clean also.